In this video, we will see how Acme Bank uses EDB Postgres AI Factory to transform client servicing using generative AI while ensuring speed, accuracy, and practical impact. Meet Maya, an accounts executive at Acme Bank who maintains customer relationships, determines product eligibility, and analyzes customer feedback. Maya's day often involves toggling between PDFs, policy documents, and databases, which is time-consuming and error-prone. Now, meet Dave, an AI engineer at Acme. Dave's mission is to enable teams like Maya's to get accurate answers faster by leveraging AI, but without building complex systems from scratch. Maya's biggest challenge is finding accurate, compliant information quickly. Clients demand quick answers, but Maya must search across multiple systems to provide accurate information. For example, customer reviews reside in a Postgres database while the product catalog is stored as a PDF in an S3 bucket. This process can take 30 minutes or more per client question, delaying client onboarding and creating risks of inconsistent responses. Dave sees this challenge and knows that AI can help, but he doesn't want to wait months to build a retrieval pipeline, vector store integration, and Slackbot interface from scratch. Instead, Dave leverages the EDB Postgres AI Factory to rapidly create an AI assistant, which we refer to as a virtual expert. AI Factory is a complete Postgres platform for GenAI inferencing, with code when you need it and UI when you don't, that combines knowledge bases, observability, and agent orchestration to enable production-ready GenAI in weeks instead of months or years. Dave uses the GenAI Builder and AI pipeline components of the AI Factory to quickly build an AI assistant that ingests internal PDFs, CSVs, and structured data, creates a knowledge base with vector embeddings, deploys an assistant directly in Slack, where Maya already works. Here's how Dave does it. First, Dave creates knowledge bases from raw data in source systems using an AI pipeline. A knowledge base stores numerical vector representations of source data, allowing the virtual expert to quickly find relevant information based on meaning rather than just keywords. AI pipeline provides the data infrastructure to extract information from various sources, transform it into vector embeddings using selected embedding models, and store these vectors in the knowledge base. Dave logs into his favorite Postgres client tool and begins creating a data preparation pipeline with familiar SQL syntax to blend the structured and unstructured data sources. Once the pipeline is deployed, it automatically generates vector embeddings for the source data and stores them in knowledge bases, powered by pgvector. Next, Dave logs into GenAI Builder and immediately sees the knowledge bases created by his pipeline, one capturing customer reviews and another storing the product catalog PDF extracted from the S3 bucket. Dave creates an assistant and connects these knowledge bases to it, along with a rule set. He can test it instantly by asking a question. The assistant responds by introducing itself as Acme Copilot, following instructions from the rule set. Dave also notices that the responses are properly grounded in the customer reviews he ingested earlier. Dave then selects the most suitable AI models for the assistant. The GenAI Builder provides various AI models for applications, from locally deployed options to external hosted models like OpenAI and NVIDIA. Pleased with the assistant's performance, Dave deploys the assistant to Slack with a few clicks, making it instantly accessible to Maya and his team. Now that the virtual expert is deployed in production, Maya can access it through Slack to get a list of customers who like the Acme reward card so she can plan an outreach campaign. Within seconds, Maya gets a clear, summarized answer, allowing her to easily access all corporate data sources without switching between multiple systems. This not only simplifies her work but also significantly increases her productivity. This is practical generative AI, delivering measurable value, not just a prototype.